Good morning. It is Vlogmas day 3. Vlogmas? No, it's not. Vlogtober day 3, and I have to film 2 videos today because I'm behind. But we just got back from the dog park, and I warned Clover to get some water before he gets a bath because he needs a bath. Here he is, sipping the water. After bath treat? I didn't get you your after bath treat. You want it? You want a treat? You want a treat? Of course you want a treat. Of course you want a treat. You want another one? Speak. You're good. That's all the treats. That's it. I don't have any more. No more. Alright, I just recorded a video and got it posted. It should be posted now, actually. But look at this handsome man who is almost dry. He's still a little bit wet, but he's clean. You got cleaned. You look so handsome. You're very fluffy. I absolutely love bath day for him. It's so great for me. So I had a really fun interview or Zoom meeting today that could end up being something really cool in the future. So fingers crossed. Let me go downstairs and check the laundry because I know there was some bathroom laundry I was doing, and then we'll go tackle the cabinet underneath the sink, my sink, because it looks terrible. Okay, so I'm just gonna go and admit that this kind of fell apart over the last couple of months. I mean, it's not that bad, like, to be completely honest with you, but I'm just gonna go and neaten it up a little bit. Like, some of this drawer action fell apart, like my period stuff. I don't even know what this drawer is, and the dental stuff can stand to be a little neater. So get your before views, and then we're just gonna go and neaten this up just a little bit. I think it's not gonna take long at all, and it'll be very satisfying. back to a good place in this space. So first we've got the liner at the bottom. We've got Clover stuff accessible and ready to grab because, you know, bath time is important. We've got the drawer unit back in place. Ironically, it doesn't fit on this side because of the pipe situation. It would be perfect if it fit on that side because this side is very not ideal with the door, but it's fine, it works. So I put this on top. This is to prevent hair from going down the drain, and I figured what better place for it than up there. Oh, hello. Hello. I fixed a couple of labels that were not accurate, so I finally found a label and a purpose for this drawer. It's just backstock. So I'll show you this one first. It's just stuff either I haven't opened aside from the cleaner for my beauty blender and stuff, but this is the next body wash I can use, backstop razors, I keep saying backstock razors, and backstock conditioner. By the way, real talk, I love this conditioner. This Not Today, girl, if you have curly hair and you need a good detangler, this is it. It's expensive and it comes in like the smallest bottle ever, but like this is the real thing. Anyway, so that's the backup drawer, and I just fixed up the dental drawer just to look a little nicer, you know, cleaned it up a little bit. I wasn't using this container, so I just put a bunch of my mouth guard cleaner in there. These are all of my like disposable mouth guards until I get a properly made one from the dentist. We've got my flossing things and extra toothbrush heads here. The dentist's daughter takes dental hygiene very seriously, and I'm also stressed, as you can see. And last but not least, we've got my period organization. Yeah, we got my pads and tampons all around the perimeter, because if you can't find a drawer organizer that fits the entire drawer, Clover's listening very carefully to this lecture. If you can't find an insert for the drawer that fits the whole drawer, this extra space on the side is just another organizer. This is a divider. This is a divider. Bam! Bam. Anyway, we got panty liners, pads, hefty pads, and tampons, and the whole thing. It's very nice. And of course, the every now and again hair dryer lives there. That's mostly for like deep conditioning. It's mostly for deep conditioning. It's one of those bonnet hair dryers. It rocks, actually. And then this did not change. This just has my hair clips for styling, the hair dryer, and all of its attachments. And then my backup Cadet Biologics stuff that I use all the time. I go through this stuff too, so I always like to have backups of it, just because it's good. That's the whole thing. It's so much less chaotic, and here comes Clover. We're thinking about painting the bathroom this color. This is current mood, so it's a nice green, and I think it'll be a nice contrast to this periwinkle blue that is in here. I don't like this blue, and it was done a little sloppily, I'm not gonna lie. Someone's gonna come in here and fix this. We do have a painter, and they are scheduled to come probably sometime in the next few weeks, hopefully. The paint is here. We're just waiting for the painter, and I guess we have to move stuff out too, which is gonna be super fun. Anyway, that's the vlog for today. I still have to practice and film some videos for K-Daisy, so my day is still not over, but I'm ending this vlog right now anyway. I will see you guys tomorrow for another grinding, busy day. I hope you're taking care of yourselves and the ones around you. Bye. See you later.